This will be a short video. My Xperia 5 Mark II as well as my Xperia Pro I got the Android 12 update, and this is now freshly booted up the Xperia 5 Mark II after the Android upgrade. You can see that it's still checking for exposure here for my COVID app and is finishing the system update still in the background. Can we see anything more? No, we don't see anything more. That's a nice, cool feature. This is a new UI that we know already from the Pixel phones and others that we hate already. But yeah, this is the new update that has been pushed out to the Xperia 5 Mark II, as you can see here, and also the Xperia Pro I that I'm recording here with. And allegedly, some people report that with Android 12, the Xperia 5 Mark II didn't get any major performance boost, but the Xperia Pro I finally has no issues with recording 1080p 60 frames per second and overheating, which is a nice addition. At least this is what the first reports of some people say. What kind of experience do you have? Is the update finally arriving for you as well? If not, just check it again in the support app of Sony and click on update, or go to your system settings and click on update there. This is a short little video. Just to keep you informed, I will do, of course, a test, maybe not the Xperia 5 Mark II because I tested this, but I will do a video on the Xperia Pro I to see if we have any improvements in terms of camera performance, and especially if we have issues with overheating, if they are solved now or not on the Xperia Pro I. So wait until then. That's everything for this short little video.